So one of the other things on our list as we're getting closer and closer to our Germany adventure, so we've got, I think where we are at Twins is, so you've probably just seen the fire extinguisher install, was the last video. A problem I had at Kerber is I cooked the tyres and forgot to take, so I checked them hot today. By hot I mean on the drive back from tracking over at A-Line, your car at A-Line, obviously always recommended, and they're up at 39 degrees. Then we're back to my road drive, so what we're going to do now is quickly just spend 5 minutes, go around, set the cold pressures. We're going to go a little bit higher and we're going to run on the day because when you're there I don't have a pump with me to bring the pressures up. And you'll also see, you can just make it out there, so we're getting ready just to do final bedding on brakes, so we're just testing a couple of camera positions. It is going to be shaky, but shaky is better than nothing for, let's see if we can get them going. I've seen a couple of these, so we've done about 180 road miles on them just to mix them together following Godspeed's recommendations. So yeah, let's just quickly run around. So I've done a couple of track days. What I found with these is we cooked them off quite quickly. So we're going to set them down for cold for run over for just 33 all round. It gives us plenty of pressure to play with on the day. So if I put you here so you can see, obviously if you look upwards, just try a little camera position. So if we can get this tripod to stand on. Really not wanting to play today. That may fall over. You'll enjoy it if you go flying. So we set 37 on a hot. Let's see. Oh, I didn't like to seal then at all. So with 36 on the cold. Maybe a little bit more. We're just a little bit up. In fact, even just on the retest would last. Brings us down. And it is just that simple. So it's a little thing. I see a lot of people, I was guilty of it. I didn't have my pressure gauge with me. And you can see it, how dirty these wheels are getting. But yeah, I didn't have my pressure gauge with me to bring the pressures down. So that's up at 36. Ooh. Bang on the 35 marker. Don't know if you can see that, if it just looks white on the video. But you learn how long normally you need to hold it on. So it is just from doing it and playing with pressures and that bit. You can gauge how long is too long to hold it on for. So that's 37 on the rears, because obviously they weren't as hot as the fronts when we're doing them. Again, first time, getting good at this. I spent far too much time doing it. Far too much time looking at these wheels. They're out of state after bedding these pads in. They really do. So we'll probably get in one more wash once we finish bedding them in. Caught you in mid-air. We'll just gently keep one hand on you. Did that in the wrong order then. It was all kerfuffled. 36, so we'll give it a little. Just reread that. And there we go, folks. 35. So we're balanced now at 35 on the cold pressure. The car's been stood for a little bit. When we take them off to clean them up, we will probably rotate front to rear just to make sure we're not going to scrub that shoulder. The last thing we want to do is de-lam the tyre while we're away. So I think one of the Evos is taking a spare on a 114, which should fit this. We'll just have a look where we're rigging it up for filming. We should be able to see a bit of disc in there. We'll see if we can get that going. We'll probably do it when it's a little bit colder. So, but yeah, literally, on track day, one of the best things to do is keep your tyre pressures in check. So they'll probably blow up to 38, 39, and we'll bring them back down when they're hot. We'd like to do an installation lap or two. But yeah, one step closer, one more thing off the list. Next video after this should be bedding the brakes in. We'll see if we can get some, they'll smoke and they'll smell. You won't be able to smell it, but they will smell. But we'll see if we can get some glow to them. Obviously, let me know if you've got any comments. If you've got some recommendations for pressures, I'm always interested in listening to them. So I tend to go down maybe 33 in the front, 32 in the rear, and try and keep them around that. If you've got recommendations, I've never done it with a stock car, run my REO 7.0s. Let me know what you think. Obviously, hit me up in the comments for that. Otherwise, if you like the video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and until the next one, we'll see you then.